Imagine you're 65. The alarm doesn't ring anymore. You wake up and check the price of milk, it's doubled again. Your savings are shrinking fast. A doctor's bill hits and your heart sinks. You look at your grandkids and the words slip out, "Not today, sweetheart, budget nahi high." This is the retirement that keeps millions awake at night. But right now, in 2026, something much more dangerous is happening. The biggest tax break in 40 years has sunset. Tax rates have gone up. This was a once-in-a-decade window to protect your money forever. If you missed it, you could be paying thousands of dollars extra every single year in taxes for the rest of your life. Many people are already feeling the pain. But I'm going to show you exactly how to fight back, starting today. Now picture this instead, same age. You wake up, check your phone, and see your money still growing while you sleep. You book that family trip without thinking twice. You smile at your grandkids and say, "Pick anything you want, it's on me." No stress, no fear, just freedom and peace. Which future are you building right now? Hi friends, I'm Ariane from Ariane Invest. According to the latest EBRI 2026 Retirement Confidence Survey, retirement confidence has dropped to just 61%. A lot of people are genuinely worried. But since you're here, I know you want something different. Today I'm giving you a complete, practical retirement planning blueprint that works whether you're starting late or carrying heavy family responsibilities. Stick with me till the end, because we're covering your exact retirement number, the biggest mistakes that destroy dreams, the 3 pillars of real security, and how to survive the new tax reality after the 2026 sunset. My friend Ollie is 48. He works hard, but every month he feels stressed seeing rising prices, milk, petrol, school fees. Whatever is left, he puts into regular savings or basic mutual funds. He always says, "I'll think about retirement later." At night he lies awake worrying about healthcare costs, inflation, and whether his kids will have to support him one day. Sarah is also 48 with the exact same income. But she started smart. She maxed out every tax-advantaged account, used the real power of compounding, and protected her money before the tax rules changed. Today both of them sleep peacefully. Sarah is already planning big family trips after 60, without ever touching her principal. Her children will never hear the words budget nahi high. The difference wasn't luck. It was planning. Step 1. Calculate your exact retirement number, the 25x rule. It's very simple. Write down your total yearly expenses right now: housing, food, travel, shopping, everything. Add a 25 to 30% buffer for healthcare and inflation. Multiply that number by 25. Subtract whatever you expect from Social Security. To give you your number in seconds, here's a quick guide. Annual expenses $12,000 to $15,000, target $300,000 to $375,000. Annual expenses $20,000 to $25,000, target $500,000 to $625,000. Annual expenses $30,000 to $35,000, target $750,000 to $875,000. Annual expenses $40,000 to $45,000, target $1 million to $1,125,000. Write your number down right now. A clear target creates real motivation. The 3 strong legs of retirement planning. Social Security. The trust fund could face issues around 2033, which may lead to benefit cuts of 20% or more. Tax-advantaged accounts. 401k, IRA. Always grab the full employer match. That's free money. Personal investments. This will be your real powerhouse. Important warning: 2026 tax sunset. Friends, listen very carefully. The Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, the law that gave us lower tax rates, officially expired at the end of 2025. We are now in 2026 paying higher taxes. This was a once-in-a-decade golden window. People who did Roth conversions before the sunset are now saving $8,000 to $15,000 extra per year in taxes during retirement. That's $150,000 to $300,000 plus over 20 years, money that stays in your pocket instead of going to the government. If you missed the window, don't panic. But understand this, every year you wait, the cost gets higher. You can still protect yourself by moving money into Roth accounts strategically, managing your tax brackets, and keeping money in all three buckets: taxable, tax-deferred, and tax-free. The window has closed, but your future is still in your hands. Healthcare protection. Healthcare is the biggest threat in retirement. If you're eligible, use an HSA for its triple tax advantage. Also think seriously about long-term care planning while you're still healthy. Advanced moves. Roth conversions in lower tax years, timing still matters. Smart diversification across stocks, real estate, and inflation protection. Annuities for a guaranteed income floor, choose carefully. Some side income or passion work even in retirement. Closing. At its heart, retirement planning is about living a tension-free life with your family. It's never having to tell your kids we can't afford that. It's enjoying trips together, sleeping peacefully at night, and looking back at 65 feeling truly proud, knowing you protected your family's future. Your 72-hour challenge. Pause this video right now. Calculate your number. Then increase your retirement contributions, even by a small amount, starting this week. Drop a comment and write "I'm in Ariane" if you're taking action today. Tell me your age and your biggest retirement worry. I read every single comment. If this video gave you clarity and hope, please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future updates. Your 65-year-old future self is watching you right now. Make them proud. Start today. See you in the next one. Take care. With love, Ariane 2 Hearts.